to Drago891's world. Now today we're going to be opening 11 packs today. And a statue. Now we're going to start with, it is Sun and Moon Guardian Risings. There's 2 of them in each pack. And then we're going to go towards these right here, the 10 packs.
You guys can't really see them, so
yeah. But you'll get another view in a second. And then we're going to open this one right here that has a coin and Pikachu in it. And this is non-sponsored Poké Collect custom packs. I've heard from them from other YouTubers and that. This is non-sponsored. They're supposed to be very good. That you're supposed to get bangers every time you get a pack from them.
Guys, I'm gonna open this one. So
it is Pokemon Sun and Moon Guardian Rising. Just like this and right over here. Comes with 2 packs.
here's the 2 packs right here. So I'll leave this one down for Austin. Oh, my bad. Name Juggle.
Yep. Now there's a trick. Yeah. Now see if it's a green card or it's a black and white QR code. If it's a black and white QR code, then we're going to save those before we open the Poké Collect ones. It looks like it's just a red one, so we're good.
Yep, it's a red one.
So we're good. I totally forgot they had red ones. Okay, let's flip it.
Here's one.
That's Wishy-Washy.
Yeah. That's
right there. And then that is Sandslash Alola. There. And then that is I can't really say that name. Of the Mooney. That's all I know what it says. Okay. And you're supposed to open this, the first one from this one.
Here's the second one, guys.
Yep.
I'll do this one for Austin. Drago.
It's actually quite weird. It's actually Tapu Koko for those. Get it towards the light, like that, okay? Can't get it? There it goes. Yeah, you have a good technique about opening them.
I know.
Yeah, that is not the one that we're looking for. Just go ahead.
We just don't know, sorry.
Yeah, just make sure you get it at an angle like this, like my hand is. Okay, now that's a lot better. That is a Alolan Phobits. That's Chansey. That's a Chansey. They got that. That is Weeping Bell. Right there. That was from that pack. Okay, now we're going to do these right here. He's going to take over. Now we're going to open these.
How do I double tap?
Double tap? Well, you don't have to double tap on the phone. Just a little bit closer.
That's the same one.
Just like that. That's Alolan Vulpix. Another Chansey, as usual. And a Field Blower. Interesting. Which, these dollar packs, you don't really get anything. It was pretty much just given to me because, you know, it helped with the pats and that. Yeah, I'll open all the way. We got Machop. Machop. Got Chansey again. And we got Slowbro. And that's what I figured about the pats of these. Now we're going to go to this one.
So guys, I'm going to do this one this time because he already did his.
Yes.
So let's go.
And if I remember right, this is the pack of Fanta Force. Oh no, Unified Minds. My bad. It was Unified Minds. If I remember right, that's a they have some tag team
This is
Pokemon.
the one we're looking for.
That might become a banger. Here's this in for you guys. Okay. Let's look at the coin first. He's trying to get it out. Can you get it out? Or is it stuck in there?
Almost got it. Got it, guys.
Yep.
So let's put that right here.
Okay, now let's look at it.
Here's the coin. It just looks like blue.
It is a Vaporeon, if I remember right. Yeah, Vaporeon. And this is the card that it came with. Pikachu.
A Pikachu.
Yeah, with a nice hollow in the back. If you guys can see that. Now, open the Undefined Minds. But those, you have to, not use your teeth. You want me to show you? You got it? Sometimes teeth actually help sometimes, and sometimes it doesn't.
Guys, don't do this at home. It's really nasty.
Yes, it was. You almost got it?
Hmm?
There it goes. He got it open. Now there's going to be 10 cards out of that. It is only a green card, so we're going to open that. Now to do this in, put 3 in the front. Okay? Put 3 cards in the front. This is for you guys right here. Yeah, put 3 of them. Yeah, that's 3. Put them in front. Don't bend the cards. There you go. Now let's see what we got. That is Dragonair. Oh shoot!
Sorry, and difficult.
Okay, that's a Dragonair.
Yeah. Just put that in.
That is, I can't even say that name. I've not caught up with that series yet.
Yeah, but it's cool though, guys. So
yeah, it looks like an anchor. It's Heracross. That is Joltik. Yep. That is Eccentric, if I remember right. If I'm not right, then yeah. That is Riolu. That is Minitai. Yeah, they're getting it. That is Samshrew. Yeah.
whoa, look at this, guys.
That's a Camerupt. And it has a feature of fire. And then the rare was Excadrill. That was no banger out of that. But it did come with some energies.
Yeah.
That's an iron energy. A steel energy, if I remember right. Okay, the next one we're doing is X and Y evolutions. Now there's a trick. If it's like 10 cards, you rip it right here, and then it pulls. Right there. There you go. Now, you pull it from here, and it should open right up.
Oh.
See? There you go. Now, let's see if there's... yeah, they're a little bit difficult to open. There you go. Don't show any of the cards. Oh, it's only a green card, so we're good.
So, put this over there, right?
Here's the code.
Then let me show you the Pokemon now. Here's
Onyx.
this one.
Weedle. Machamp. Machop.
Machop.
Tangela.
Tangela.
Vulpix.
Vulpix.
And Onyx. Hollow.
Onyx.
A Mew.
A Mew. We never seen him
A
in a
Mewtwo.
while. We never seen him in a while.
Yeah, that's a good one. And that is Coughing. And then the rest is just, you know. But I think the rare one was right here. This one right here. Now, it's my turn to open some for the rest. And we're going to start from this one, this one, this one. And I'm going to go with the left and then the right. No, actually, the right and left.
Yeah. And then there's...
Yeah, I'll show them this before I open the cards for those. Okay. Got it?
It's recording.
Oh, okay.
He's gonna do this one next.
Yeah, it is Pokemon X and Y Steam.
Okay.
Okay. You see the package? Right here. Yeah.
That's
Right
a cool one, guys. So.
Yeah. See how you do that? Okay, that's just the card.
He's gonna show you the code first. So.
Here's the code. Make sure you focus on that.
Yeah, there's the code.
Okay.
And then he's gonna show you the
1,
Pokemon card.
2, 3.
Here's
That is Nidorito. Then I can't remember its name. I really don't, but it is a dragon type. Wrong button, buddy. Okay, that's the right button. And then we got shield on. I thought I see the glimmer of hope on those paths. Come a little bit closer, everybody, so you can actually see him. Just like that, yeah. Make sure you focus. Quit moving. Okay. That is C-Dot. That's Crow Launcher.
No.
That's Crow Launcher. That is Burmite Chimchar. That is Rufflet. And we got Volcanion EX. That is cool. I was not suspecting that. And most people don't know that he is a fire and a water type. And that was it for that. And that was like a good banger EX right there. I mean, just look at that. I mean, it's amazing. I'm gonna see the back. Oh, it's like pristine condition. I even got sleeves from the Poke Collect. So I'm gonna sleeve this up real quick.
Guys, I'm gonna open this one for Austin.
This one right here. While I sleeve this.
Yeah, so.
We're gonna sleeve this bad boy up. And I'm actually surprised I got that. I was not suspecting this Pokemon getting the EX out of it.
Guys, you go open this one, so.
Yeah, this one right here. The Pokemon X and Y Roaring Skies. Which I bought these from eBay. The ones that are the 10-pack I bought from eBay. I mean, not eBay, Best Buy. I don't know why I said eBay. But yeah, you can easily get them on Best Buy. Oh, shoot. Oh, we got it right off the bat, a QR code. That's the code. 1, 2, 3. Pheasant. Manectric. Trainer's Mal. Swablu. Shuppet. Fletchling. Togepi. Execute. And if I remember right, that's the evolved form of Swablu, it's area or something like that. But yeah, that was like the banger right here for this one. I mean, I really like it because it has the dragon symbol all over it. And that is Bayonet. But yeah, that was the it for that right there. Now I'm opening Pokemon X and Y Breakpoint. It's a green card. One, two, three. One. I forget this one. It's air tissue. I'm not really sure. That's Arcanine. That's Misty's Determination. That's Furfrou. That's Ducklet. That is Esper. That is Fantrum. I mean, Phantom or something like that. Shravish. And that is, I know this one, Egger Slash. I'm not really sure about that. It's Egger Slash. And we got Pandro. That was it for that pack. Now, I don't want to open these custom packs yet, but I'm definitely going to open this box right here with the statue. And most people know where these come from. Pokemon.com. I mean, PokemonCenter.com. And this is non-sponsored. I mean, I love what stuff they actually have in these. What they have in stores on their websites. And I just loved it. Now, which one I'm going to be opening, you'll see very soon. It's going to be this one right here. Greninja. Using Water Shuriken. Now let's unbox this thing. Now I'm gonna open this for the first time. I've opened the box to make sure because there was dent up here on top of the box. And I was really worried about it. But it looks just fine. So we're gonna open it for the first time. I got it first. Ooh. This is like opening boxes for Christmas. Whoa. That is cool. Right there. Now we're going. They're water shurikens. It wants to open. And it's taped at the bottom. Of course they had to put tape at the bottom. I know, it's kind of funny. They almost got it. I hate... Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Should be free now.
There you go.
Whoa.
Whoa. That came out fast.
Yeah. Now look at that. It's using water shurikens. Right there. They're using water shurikens. Yeah, put it towards the front, just like so. Yeah, just like that. Look how it looks. I mean, it is amazing. And I only paid $31.31 for this thing right here. And it was worth every penny. I mean, because look how they did it. I mean, it is amazing. And look, even the things right up here ain't even bent. Not even at all. But yet, I mean, I'm actually very surprised about this. That's definitely going to be near my other statues that I have. But other than that, we're going to the next ones, the custom packs. Now, this is what came in with the Poke Collect stuff that I bought. It came with a card, of course, and showed... That was the box that I just opened. But yeah, they give out giveaways and stuff like that. They're supposed to do a giveaway this month too. And this is not sponsored at all. All you have to do is follow them on Facebook and Instagram. That's all you have to do. But I bought these. These were $2 something for 100 of them, which ain't bad of a deal. And then I bought these two. One was $7. I think that has the possibility of a Charizard or Mewtwo in it. One of those rare ones. And then this other one is for, I forget which one it was. but one was 7, one was 8. So it doesn't tell me which ones they were, but I mean, I'm actually ready for whatever I get. Okay, let's see how we open these things. Looks like you have to open them like that. Ah, that is cool. That is satisfying too. Right there. Yeah. Now we're just going to be leaving that to the side because if I remember right, those are the rare ones right there. Now let's open this up. I'm glad they have sleeves with them. Okay, let's go for it. Ooh, a hollow Tailo. A hollow hand pour. A pan sage. A Azumarill. I don't know that. Sakin? I think it's... Oh no, it's Akin. I think it's Akin or Sakin. That's... Colbolin, if I remember right. Wheezing. And I don't know that. Cinderace? Probably Cinderace. And that was it for that. We're gonna leave the rare one for the last. But yeah, we're gonna open these right here. Because I want to keep the rare ones for later. Let's see what we got. Ooh. That's Cardivine. That is... I have no idea for that. I really don't... Skywoven, probably. That is... Nickit.
Yeah.
That is Passion Mane, probably. That's Semi-Sage. That's Arbok. That is Golem. And that is... I think that is Arcacomo? Should be. And that was it for that. Now, wonder which one I should pick to open first. I'm gonna go with this. I'm good with my left. So, I'm gonna go with the right one. See what we got. And I'm glad it's 2 cards. Oh shoot. I'm trying to be very delicate for these things. Very delicate. Let's try this one first. Oh, that is cool. I cannot pronounce that thing. It's probably Pintrin. And this is a V card. So they ain't bad. They ain't bad. But that's going to be definitely sleeved. Luckily, they gave me some sleeves. Okay, that's sleeved. And at the end, I'm going to show you all the rare cards I got. And that is Sanconda, I would say. Sanconda. But yeah, that's what we got for that. But yeah, we're going to open this one right here. Now we're going to be opening this one right here. Okay, let's go with this one right here. Chansey. I was not surprised. I mean, I'm not suspecting that at all. But I do have some of these right here. Which one is this one? Ooh. A Volton. I think that's what you call it, a Volton. But they ain't bad. They ain't bad at all. I'm guessing this is the rare one right here. But other than that, that's the rest of this video right here.
Next time he's gonna do a Pokemon packs.
Yeah, some more Pokemon packs and some weapons too. But we're going to do a quick scan real quick. So pretty much, scan it. Those are the ones from the bottom. And these are all the shiny ones. The ones that I knew that were rare. And then the two main ones right here. And one last look. Right here. The Astra Ninja one. But yeah, this was the ending of this video. Guys, if you want some of those custom packs, go onto the Poke Collect. That's down in the description below. There will be a link. And if you wanted the statue, they have several other ones like Charizard and some other ones. I couldn't get the Charizard because it was sold out. But there will be a link down there too. And if you guys are first time viewing this, please click on the subscribe button and click on that bell icon for all, because I will be testing some weapons next month and opening more Pokemon packs. And maybe a random thing too. But other than that, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.